Welcome to Vision. Vision is a web-based media management application that enables you to add comments and feedback to video assets using the Timecode Metadata function or video logging, enabling your project teams to effectively communicate with each other. Logging clips by adding Timecode metadata can be done manually, or it can be imported. To add metadata manually, simply upload your media asset, click and scroll through the metadata panel to the video logging function. You can then edit the log and jump to the desired point in your clip and add your comments or feedback. This makes finding and editing a much more productive process. To import Timecode metadata, click on the Edit Log button, then click on the Import Log icon and select the desired file. Once this is complete, you can then jump to any of the timecodes you have imported. Being able to add all your timecode metadata at once gets your feedback to the editing team faster. Whatever application you are using to access your clips, timecode metadata can be used to make decisions such as understanding when the credits begin and end. This feature can help with automation and orchestration. Your timecode metadata is fully searchable, meaning that you can quickly locate and browse your time-coded assets. The timecode metadata functionality means that you and your teams can communicate feedback effectively and quickly, improving operational efficiencies and productivity. Get in touch today to discover Vision.